guys, today we're working on Toyota Camry again, and we're gonna have Robert back there. He's gonna help us install the Lexus style tail lights on the Camry, and we're gonna take you step by step how to do that. All right, so we'll start by prepping the work area. So remove the trim, this trim right here, the trim up here. Remove there's this little clip right here. It's a little push clip that holds the little cargo net. It goes right here. Move this forward. You take the little cover off. That covers.
These little covers that are right here.
Yep.
Then if you just take off these two screws, this is the bumper. You don't have to take this one off. It's just these two, and then it literally comes right off. And then in here, you gotta just take this thing off, this one, and all you gotta do is unplug this.
That's the main harness.
Take that off. There you go. So your light is already off.
So now,
ooh. There you go.
That's it. That's the stock tail light. So this one came off, unplugged. Just plug this one in. This is the ballast. Connects to.
So you just connect these two right here, like that, and this just goes through that same hole. Goes plugged into this
Factory harness.
And then here goes another cable that they bring in the box with you that goes connected with this light like you have over here.
So it's gonna be this same light connects to the inner tail light that goes connected to here. Oh, this diffuser.
There you go.
Perfect. Make sure you put the rubber garment. If not, wire will leak in.
There you go.
And make sure, let me show them the tabs. Make sure you slide in here and in here. Straight from back to forward. There you go, like that.
And she's on, boys.
And she's on. Do everything reverse. Put bolts in. Back up. Put the cover back on. It's actually brought different covers than the original. The original was a different shape for the stock lights. And then you come up here and you remove this little trim piece to run the wire right inside of this to go into the inner tail light. So let's do that.
It comes with it. You just grab this, plug it in like that. This is a long cable that they give you. It's kind of like an extension. So this, you pretty much grab it. You're gonna take this off. You're gonna run it through there, and it's gonna be connected to your next light up here.
So it should look like this. Remove the stock inner tail light. Make sure you remove the original gasket and put it on the new inner tail light. As we said before, remove the little cover, slide the inner tail light in. It has 3 bolts down here. They're 10mm?
Yeah.
10mm bolts. And
it's literally just those 3 bolts. This one goes right here.
One there, one here, and one here.
Right, just finger tighten it.
This one right here.
First,
so you can run that wire all the way up, connected to the inner tail light.
So connected there.
Also brings
this white cable. It's gonna be on both sides. So this is this side, you're gonna get this one connected to the one they give you, and then you get yours, and it's gonna connect to your actual thing. So there you have that. Everything's connected. The only thing you're missing is this, which you have to connect. What I did was I got it into the this is the license plate light. So you take it off and you connect it. Once it's plugged in is the right cable, which will be the positive. You splice that and you pretty much connect it on there with the other side. And then you should be good. Well, that's already connected. And there you go.
Some electrical tape.
Electrical tape. Put it back in the tube that it came in. If you can fucking open it. There you go. Once I did.
Now you gotta run. Basically, hide the wires now, right?
Yep.
To start at the top. You're gonna start on top, or just tidy up the wires. I usually tidy up my wires, so I zip tie them like this. So the other side actually has a wire harness running through here. I tied the new cable with the wiring harness. Right here there's no wiring harness, so I just wrapped it up on top of the hinge. And then up here, the white wire, instead of having it just free floating, I zip tied it here to this little ledge, and right here also. So everything's clean and tidy, cleaner and tidier. And then just run this down here. You should be good. Done. Make sure you put everything back to normal. And it shouldn't look like there's any wires hanging or anything hanging from the bottom. Make sure it's pretty clean. And I'm gonna show you now how the headlights look. So it's very flush with the trunk. There's no really big gaps. Looks like factory. HIREV did a really good job. These light up. This look really good at night. And the brake lights, the reverse is right here. It's a bright white light. And then this right here, this whole strip right here is a sequential light. I'm gonna show you it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you to all the supporters that we have on Instagram, Facebook, and now YouTube. Thank you for the support, and guys, please subscribe to our channels to help us grow. We have all these different types of projects coming along, different DIYs we could do, any requests that you guys have, comment down below so we can do them in the future. And hopefully we could feature one of you guys on our videos. And if you haven't yet, follow our Instagram and Facebook, and soon we're gonna have some merch out for you guys to be able to represent us in your own way. And once again, thank you guys. Have a good night. Until the next one.